Hi, boys and girls. For math today, we're going to do some airplane math since we're reading about airmen today. All right, so let's read our directions here. It says airplane math. Before you fly, let's check your numbers. So for this one, we have to fill in the missing number, okay? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. Awesome job. Let's write 3. All right, let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job, boys and girls. Let's write 5 right there. All right, now we're going to start with 13, okay? So let's start at 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good. So we've got 14, 15, 16. Awesome job. 16, 17. Awesome job, boys and girls. That is wonderful. All right, let's do the next airplane math. Ready? Airplane math. Let's head out to the runway. We are on runway 8. Circle our runway. Let's look. We've got 12, 19, 8. This is our runway, so let's go ahead and circle it, just like that. Circle it. All right. Now this is a tricky one. It says, how about a challenge? Which runway has the smallest number? So there's 20, 62, or 49. 49. So which one do you think it is? 20, 62, or 49? It's 20. Yeah, great job. So let's circle 20. Just like that. Awesome job, boys and girls. I think we have one more math paper. All right. Last one, it says, ready for takeoff. Count how many of each aircraft and write the number. So here we've got a little example here. There's 1, 2, 3. So let's write 3, just like that, 3. Now let's count how many airplanes we have here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's write the number 6, just like that. All right, let's count the spaceships next. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's write 9, just like that. All right, let's count the helicopters. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write 4. 4, just like that. All right, last one. Let's count the jets. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write 5. Just like that. Awesome job, boys and girls. I'm so proud of you. Next, we are going to learn about the force of air. I'll see you then. Bye.